Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a great ship for exploration in no man's sky. First, focus on completing the initial tutorial missions. This will guide you through repairing your starter ship and getting it airborne. You'll need to gather common resources like carbon and ferrite dust to fix damaged parts. This foundational step is crucial for any further progress in the game. Once you're flying, prioritize upgrading your ship. Look for hyperdrive upgrades to extend your warp range, allowing you to reach distant star systems more easily. Expanding your cargo slots is also vital for carrying more resources and valuable items. You can purchase new ships with better stats at space stations or trading posts using units. To truly get a Voyager class experience, you'll want a better ship. Save up a significant amount of units, perhaps 10 million or more, to purchase a high-class starship. Consider scrapping unwanted ships at space stations. This yields valuable upgrade modules and sometimes even nanites. Participating in Nexus missions at the Anomaly is an excellent way to earn units quickly. For optimal exploration, focus on specific upgrades. Install scanner upgrades to maximize your rewards from discovering flora, fauna, and minerals. Pulse drive upgrades will significantly speed up your travel within star systems. When choosing a new ship, prioritize those with a high base hyperdrive range, as this is key for long-distance journeys across the galaxy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.